Namaste, I'm Kanika, an Ayurveda physician, and in this video, let us talk about almonds or badam. According to Ayurveda, badam is one of the best dry fruits, and let us see why. The Sanskrit synonym of almond in Ayurveda is very interesting. It has a very interesting meaning. In Ayurveda, almond is called Vatad. That means something that eat Vata dosha. Now these are the symptoms or properties of Vata dosha. Vata dosha is essentially dry, mobile, and almond on contrary, it's warm, it's moisturizing, it's heavy, and it has the potential to completely eliminate the biggest dosha, that is Vata dosha. According to Ayurveda, Vata dosha is a metabolic pattern that causes dryness, deterioration and aging in the body. It is the strongest metabolic pattern that leads to more than 80 distinct disorders, and therefore it is very important to balance Vata dosha, to balance this metabolic pattern, and almond is the food that can help to eliminate Vata dosha, that can help to balance the activity of Vata dosha, and this is the beauty of almond. Now almond works on all the abodes of Vata or sites of Vata dosha. One of the most prominent site of Vata dosha is large intestine. You see, large intestine causes dryness because it absorbs water from the fecal matter and forms solid stool. And the major function in large intestine is contraction. There is no chemical reaction, there's no digestion happening in large intestine. And you see, excess of Vata dosha can lead to excess dryness, constipation, bloating, and multiple other digestive disorders. Almond is the food that can eliminate all these digestive disorders. It helps to moisturize the large intestine, therefore it prevents constipation, indigestion, bloating. Another prominent effect of Vata dosha, excess Vata dosha, is nerve deterioration because it leads to deterioration of external sheath on nerves. The damage on the nervous sheath leads to multiple disorders like dementia, pain, hyperactivity in nerves. But almond helps to nourish the sheath on the nerves. It helps to protect, it helps to moisturize the nervous system. That is why almond is very important food for increasing intelligence in Ayurveda. Ayurveda says that if you want to improve your memory, if you want to improve your concentration, you should eat almond because almond strengthens the nerves. It eliminates the deteriorating, the drying effect of Vata dosha on the nerves. Almond also helps to moisturize the joints, which are another abode of Vata dosha. It is very good for eyes. It prevents dryness in eyes. It prevents eye disorders. It is great for hair. You see, Vata dosha, excess Vata dosha can lead to hair dryness, frizziness, baldness, hair fall, so many disorders. But almond, it helps to moisturize the scalp. It helps to moisturize the hair roots. And that is why almond oil is one of the best oil for hair. Not only this, almond also works very well on skin because Vata dosha can lead to dryness in skin. It can lead to multiple skin disorders, but almond oil helps to moisturize the skin. It not only moisturizes the skin, it also enhances the skin tone naturally. It also prevents 7 signs of aging like marks, spots, dark circles, wrinkles, and many more. And that is why, if possible, try to take organic almonds every day. What is the best way to take almonds? Almond is full of nutrition, but it is very important to ensure that this nutrition is bioavailable for us. We are able to absorb this nutrition, and that's why Ayurveda recommends that you soak these almonds overnight in water. After soaking them overnight, you can peel them in the morning and take the almonds, the inner kernel of the almond. Also, you must chew these almonds or make a fine paste so that there is increased surface area for absorption, and this will lead to proper absorption. This will lead to proper digestion of almonds, and then you will be able to gain the maximum benefit from them. And that's why, to gain the maximum benefit of almonds, try soaking them at night and make a fine paste. I hope that this information helps you to gain the maximum benefit of almonds. Namaste and thank you for watching.